Teddy. Teddy, stay here. Okay, so here's the deal is we're here at Casas, Loreto. This is Abel, Casas. So today we're going to do an interview on this fella, Abel, and he's got a story to tell about this place, about Loreto, and about how he built this. And this place, I've been here for 7 days and 5 nights. Some of it sponsored by a follower and a subscriber of YouTube and Facebook. And and I thank you. You know who you are. It does not want to be mentioned, but I know who you are. And here we are. So today we're gonna take a good look at what's going on here. Today, this beautiful place. Every day they let me pull my motorcycle in and sit here. But look at this beautiful place. And this is not like the standard, like Teddy's still at home here. He just sits in the doorway all the time. It's not the standard hostel. It's kind of like a hotel. Here's my room. Now my bed's a mess, but and there's my room. And then I get my own bathroom. Big rain shower. What I think. But today we're going to do an interview with Abel. And look at Teddy. He knows he's not allowed in the kitchen. He'll sit there. My friend. He is he's the helping hand here. And he has helped me. But so we're going to eat breakfast, and then we're going to get into this interview. I just wanted you to get a good look of everything, huh? And everybody loves Teddy. So there you go. We'll be with the interview here in a minute. Like that. Okay, I'm sitting here with Abel, the owner of Casas
Loreto.
in Loreto.
Hostal Casa Loreto.
And he's here to tell his story.
Yep.
About how this all became what it is.
I came in years ago with a dream and to do the first hostal in Loreto. Now I do it and I enjoy my place, and I would like to invite you to visit Loreto and let me the opportunity to serve you. My place is only 7 rooms, 3 1 bed, 2 with 2 beds, and a suite. You're gonna like it.
Oh, I can contest to that.
Yes. See me in Loreto. Bye.
Mi amigos. There you have it. Alright, headed to LaPaz. I think I'm about 65 miles more into the desert to get there. I'm 60 miles into the desert right now. But before coming into that little town that you swing through on one, I went through a checkpoint, and normally they just pass me through. I mean, no problem. So we had one guy, he was checking my papers, and the whole time he was checking my papers and my insurance and my registration and everything, he kept on asking me if I had marijuana. I said no. Anyway, I was like, no. And I'm thinking, okay, you know what I mean. Then he looked at me and he said, can I inspect? He wanted to inspect my bags and everything. And I was like, well, yeah, I mean, go ahead. I didn't got nothing to hide. He said, go ahead and unload your packs. And I thought, really, are we gonna do this? And we did. And it took up an hour and a half of my time. I mean, I was courteous, I was kind to the guy. I don't know, maybe he had a bad day or whatever, but it seemed like he was stopping everybody and really drilling everybody, but he drilled the hell out of me. And well, we unloaded everything, and I got everything unloaded, and then he wanted me to open the packs and lay everything out, and well, I did. And then Teddy, and I had everything laid out right alongside the road, and he walked up to me and goes, put it all back and go. And I was like, are you kidding me? You didn't even want to check me out. But there is. I lied. Little white lie. But you're gonna need tools to find it. you may need some tools to find it where it is. Anyway, so got another cool sticker somewhere. Got one for you, Gary. Got one for Jerry. But really cool. I got this Baja sticker. Loreto. Anyway, so here we are. It's like, Teddy's thirsty as ever. I don't even know what time it is. It is 3:35 out here in the desert, and she is hot. It's hot. So I don't know. Can't really tell if I even got a signal, and I don't believe I do. But I'm gonna keep on going down the road, headed into LaPaz. I was gonna camp back there at that other town, and now I forget the name of it. I was gonna camp back there at that other town, smoking while you got a chance, because I don't think I'm gonna get off the bike for another 60, 70 miles. We did, Teddy did not want to leave Loreto. Teddy absolutely fell in love with the hostel. And you guys back here at the hospital, so much appreciation, so much love. It was just absolutely incredible. I was treated like family. And no doubt about it. If you go to the hostel, Casas, Loreto, I promise you, bring respect and appreciation. And these people are absolutely phenomenal. No doubt about it. Teddy's trying to find the shade. Taking a break, man. Like I said, we just did 65 miles. This is the first pull off. I was going to find a camp. I think I got a leak. I think I might have to tear this shock apart. It looks like this shock is leaking. So I'm going to do that when I get a couple things now I'm finding out. Looky here. The bolt has actually came out. I don't even know where it is. It's gone. So it's fell. And I like put my foot back here once in a while. That's how I found out that the bolt has disappeared. But I got a leak in the shock. Shouldn't be a problem. I think I can get the gasket. If not, I can fix the gasket that's in there. So I got that going on. I think I want to adjust the clutch just a little bit more so that it grabs a little bit more before I let it completely out. It's almost at the point where I'm almost out and it grabs. I want to bring it in a little bit. I want it to grab about 3/4 way out, or a little bit less. I think that's where it needs to be. Everything else is going good. The bolt fell out. I get that. The shock is leaking. I can tell it's leaking. You can tell it's leaking. So now I've tore these apart before, and it's amazing what I can do with a couple pieces of rubber. I got, now it's not this shock, but I can get some hydraulic oil and put down in there, really, or some motor oil, whatever it takes. Some really good clean hydraulic oil would do the trick. I mean, we're in the middle of nowhere. This is nowhere. Middle of the desert. The plan was, if I get stuck out here, I'm fine. I'm ready to go. At the hostel, they gave me food. This morning they fed me for breakfast. Did that short little interview. Then they made sure that I had a lunch to take with me. I'm telling you, an inch of respect will carry you miles. No doubt about it. I was just wondering what they were doing. I almost ran off the road. But alright, I'm not too far out of LaPaz. Daddy. But you can see the sun's going down, and I got limited amount of time to get camp up. So I'm thinking this is the area. I gotta find somewhere comfortable here. There is a nice little spot right there. Puts me out in the open though. I want to tuck in. Well, so let me find a spot quick. I got limited amount of sunshine. We'll see ya. Alright, I'm not too far out of LaPaz. Daddy. But you can see the sun's going down. And I got limited amount of time to get camp up. So I'm thinking this is the area. I gotta find somewhere comfortable here. There is a nice little spot right there. Puts me out in the open though. I want to tuck in. Well, so let me find a spot quick. I got limited amount of sunshine. We'll see ya. Okay, I found my spot right there. I'm out. This is where I am. I'm about 30 miles west of LaPaz. I can be there tomorrow morning. I'm not going to worry about that mountain range way out there. I got to go over that mountain range to get to LaPaz, and I'm in no big hurry. Life story. So this is going to be it for the night. I'm kind of tucked in here. You can't see me. I mean, this is a road, but it's just for the power line so that they can ride the power lines. So look at this beautiful sky. It is just beautiful. Teddy, he's tired. It's been a long day. I've been searched. Just a long day. They wasted 2 hours searching me. But okay, so I'm gonna get this tent set up. We'll see you then. We're looking good. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. This is cool shit. Now I'm tucked in. It's off a highway. It's along power lines. And I don't suspect anybody's going to even see me up in here. I'm out here in the middle of nothing. And that's the way I like it. Okay. Oh, there he is. He sneaked over there. He did sneak over there. See him? Ah, I got him. You don't want the light on him. That's cool. Anyway, I don't unpack everything on these kind of deals. So everything just gets rolled back up, tucked. It's a fast getaway if need be. I got food, plain food, everything I need. And here we go. Life is good. Take a journey. Live a journey. Well, here we are. Butt ass naked. But I'm just sitting out here in the desert, about 50 miles from La Paz in the California, and the Baja California Sur, Mexico. And just over that mountain range out there, is LaPaz. Fucking free, man. Look at this. This is so incredible. So I just hopped off the road, man, and followed the trail for these power lines. And I put up camp. You can see they were dumping stuff here. This might have been something at one time, but it is now my home for the night. Or last night. I don't know, maybe tonight. Oh man. And you can just be naked and free as the beast in the wild. And here I am, just loving life. And Teddy. And Teddy. We're sitting here relaxing, and Teddy. It's probably, according to the sun, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. And it's got to be 80 degrees or more. It is barren hot. And I put my clothes on. My goodness. We're all human here. We all get along. I wanted to show you something. Look at that. I am on top of a ridge looking down in the valley of the desert. Absolutely freaking incredible! And I hope you guys are enjoying all these videos, man. It's not easy making videos. And I'm not going to harp on it. But pass it around. You might know somebody that knows somebody that gives a shit. I don't. But anyway, man, I'm so glad that life has offered me the opportunity to be free, to soar like an eagle through all these countries, all these cities, all these endeavors I take on, and I get to share them with you. And it makes it even more possible because of you. It's not that I've changed my life, because I won't do. What I'm giving you is my life, as it is, the way it is, and the way I am. And I can do no more. I am the free soul. Absolute free soul. I love you all. We are all the same. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And I thought it looked some kind of funny. So, I'm sitting here getting ready to pack my stuff, getting organized, and I look for my helmet to put it over my phone to block it from the sun, which I gotta get out of there, or she'll just heat up and won't be worth a shit. Yeah. And I can't find my helmet. And I know I took my helmet off right here last night before I made a video. I know I did. I'm looking. I've looked all over the place. is the sweat off my head that sweet. What in the hell is that? What the hell is that? Anyway, it wasn't because of that. I've been trained in that. I wake up and there's no goddamn helmet. My helmet is nowhere to be found. So, whatever it was very sneaky. I remember last night Teddy growling a little bit. Maybe he heard something and I just didn't catch it. I gotta get a drink. You're gonna have to wait a minute. It's hotter than the devil's fire pit out here. But how do you like my helmet? So I started searching and I found a big scratch area right down there. Right down there. While you wait, I hydrate. Sorry. I'm thirsty as ever. And that ain't gonna cut it. I need more. So I get down in there and I found a piece of my helmet. And how do I know it's a piece of my helmet? I just bought this helmet. That's all it's left. They tore this out. I can't find the other part of my helmet though. Did they carry the damn thing off? I don't know where the hell it is. I don't know what it was. But it took my goddamn helmet. It took my helmet. I've never had that happen in all my life. Something came along and took my damn helmet. It couldn't have been somebody. Because you don't just come back here. There's no reason. There's no lights. No nothing. They took my helmet. Something out there wanted my helmet. So, we're going to play the old no helmet game all the way in. But if they pull me over and ask me why, I'm going to show them what's left of the helmet I just bought in California. You got my other helmet, Brian Batten. Broughton. You got my other helmet. I'm just gonna play it the way it is. Oh my God, it's the craziest thing ever. I must have thought he had something. It's the sweat off my head that's sweet. I don't get it. I know, somebody out there is gonna say animals like shit and that's why they carried it off. Or whatever. But in the end, this is the way life is. Treat it any different and it'll change you. Treat it like this and you're free. Thanks for watching the video. Teddy and I appreciate it. I hope you liked it. If you did, how about a good thumbs up? Maybe pass it on to a friend, comment. And with all that, we'll see you down the road.